How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be doing a deep dive into Shib. We're going to talk about the metrics and indicators, and I'll go into some live data at the end of the video. Before we get started, I want to know what your favorite dog-related token is. Do you prefer Doge, Shib, or is there another one that you like even more? Let me know down in the comments, but for now, let's talk about the Shib emotional index first. Right now, Shib has topped out in excited territory and has begun moving back down. There has been a correlating move down in metric and price. Overall, after it tops out in excited, we can see back here multiple times whenever it gets really high on its chart, it begins moving down in price every single time. Just right here too. Big top out, big move down. Big top out, trend down, exactly like that. So because of that, we can assume that since we have moved into excited territory here, I mean, it's already happened. The price has already began dropping. However, I do think we could see further price drops. Here's another reason why I do think the price of Shib could be dropping. This is the long versus short trade metric. What we're seeing right here is short trades jumping while long trades are diving. Now, long trades are above short trades here, but overall there is a change in sentiment that has already been noticed in the price and could continue. Now, I'll show you exactly where I think it's going to drop towards the end of the video using the live charts. But for now, I want to take you to the whale and smart money metric. You can see here, whales are feeling like short trades right now. Around this negative 600 mark is about where we're going to see the drops in the market happen. Anytime this metric passes that negative 600, we do most often see drops in the market, as you can see here. Now, this reading, it's actually the similar on Bitcoin. Negative 600 is about the same reading, but this will vary between coins, so be sure to follow along in our videos to get up-to-date information on where we could be seeing those drops. As of right now, we're under that negative 600 mark on the short trade sentiment for the smart money metric. Next, we are in crazy high volatility under the volatility breakout detector. Now, following periods of high volatility like we see right here actually comes periods of low volatility. This most often results as either consolidation or accumulation. And after big price jumps, this is when we're going to see people consolidate and kind of just the price is often likely to go somewhat sideways. Now, I think we may see further moves down before we see any sideways movement again for Shib, but we'll have to keep you updated on that. Next, this is one of my favorite metrics. It's going to be one of the more important ones that we watch today. Right now, we could be testing structure resistance anywhere between this. I'm just going to say the last three numbers. Pretty much anything I'm going to say at this point is it has 5 zeros right here. If you hear 817, just assume that I mean 0.0000817 unless I say specifically otherwise. This is one of the harder parts of covering Shib, but it just kind of it makes things interesting, you know? So anywhere along this line, 817 or 779, this is where we're going to be looking for structure support in the market. And right here, here's an example of where I'm going to have to say it specifically, but 0.00001016 is the absolute structure resistance that we are probably going to test, although I think there is a shorter one more close to where the current price is right now. However, I'll have to show you that in the live charts, so stay tuned for that. Last but not least is the daily trade scanner up here. Shib has just about touched the absolute top red section, and most often when this happens, we can see it right here and right here. There are price moves down. Most often, this indicates a high on the chart, and after that, we are likely to see lower highs, hence the price movement down. Because of this, I wouldn't be terribly shocked to see price movements down from this point. Now, we may see a sell signal on the current candle. It's hard to say for certain. We'll have to check back on the next coverage of Shib. However, I'm not able to cover Shib very often here. I try to cover it once a week or every 2 weeks if I can. Unfortunately, I can't do it every single day. So if you want to keep yourself updated on Shib and see where the price is going for yourself, be sure to sign up for a membership at the link in the description. Once you click it, it'll bring you to this page here. Go up to subscribe and choose the membership level that you'd prefer to get started. I'll talk to you more about that later, but for now, let's check out the TradingView charts. Here we are on the one-day time frame for Shiba Inu, and right off the bat, we see price versus while money flow is high with a value of 73, and trend exhaustion is in its top red section. These are massive indicators for a move down in price, and at this point, the only thing we're looking for is a sell signal similar to over here to pop right around this point. And as soon as we get that confirmation with the sell signal, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion high on their charts, these three signals are going to be a massive indicator for a price move down. Now, where is the price going to go before that happens? Well, this right here, this level of 0.00001016 is the absolute top I think we could reach. However, right now we are actually testing a current structure resistance at this point right here, 966. There are multiple touches right here, here, and at the current or the last candle right there. So with that, and I mean, we're already seeing the price move down here, but with that, I think this is actually going to be the top. However, there is always the chance it could move up to that 1016 level. Wherever this happens though, wherever the price gets rejected at a structure resistance, I think that the price is going to drop back down to previous structure support as we saw on the support and resistance metric at 779. And we can see that on the metric right here. Overall, 779 is the point that I'm going to be looking for. Now, these indicators are absolutely crushing it. And if you're an active trader in the market, I would consider these essential. If you want to grab them, you can get them at the links in the description down there. Once you click it, you'll be brought to this page right here. You can get the Pro Trader bundle, which will include the TC top and bottom finder, trend exhaustion, and price versus money flow indicators that you saw me use in this video, as well as 9 other trading indicators for your own use. This is our best possible deal and our #1 seller. And if you want to get the TC top and bottom finder, our best indicator overall by itself, you can grab it at this link right here at a brand new reduced price. However, if you're a more casual trader, the membership is for you. Again, the link in the description will bring you to this page right here. Click the subscribe button. The basic access will give you access to 10 metrics, access to our daily trade scanner, macro metrics, community chat, masterclasses, Telegram channel, and dedicated email support. The full access, the one I recommend, includes actually 20 coins, as well as access to the Morning Brew overview, quality trade setups, Zoom coaching every month, Trader EQ, and again, 20 coins here. Now, you're probably going to want to use these, especially if you're a more casual trader. Let me show you why. With the Morning Brew overview, you get to let us do the hard work for you every single weekday. Every weekday, you'll see the top and worst performing coins, crucial news updates, and all these signals, including the breakout detector and trade scanner signals that pop for every single coin on our list. All of this is the primary information you need to know to inform your trades. And whenever we see good trades, we'll post them on the quality trade setups. One of our more recent calls was Algorand on December 27th, and anyone that entered the trade with us hit almost 20% profit as of today. We've actually posted 2 more updates. You'll be able to see them at the top of the page here, but those are reserved for our members, so if you want to see them, be sure to grab a membership at the link in the description. With that, thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident. I'll see you in the next video.